Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on news and sports on your account on X-Twitter on notification settings. Easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click settings and privacy. Now click notifications, click preferences and click push notifications, and here you will find it, news and sports. Just click on it like this and it should be turned on, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.